You were reading wontons.
Actually, there's dumplings.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
They got wonton wrappers.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have to compromise.
This is the chicken. As you can see.
It looks like a chicken.
This the piggy. As you can also kind of see. How do you open these?
I
Just
hit
tear
it. So.
Do y'all want like a fork to like press the edges?
It's like
Okay, you can do
they're
it.
like little things.
You doing it like in that Disney short?
Now. There's gonna be plenty. There's a lot of. You can help me or you can help me. It's up to you.
Can you frown?
I really can't.
You can't? Try.
I don't want to.
Try. Oh my gosh, try. Can you do it?
I don't know how to frown.
Fuck.
Like can you frown? Yeah, she can do it. Benjamin, can you frown?
What?
Can you frown? Yeah, pretty, yeah, there you go.
Wait, can you not frown?
No, I can't.
We're not gonna talk about it.
Okay, wait, Kai's just too happy all the time.
Yeah, I'm really
Just way too happy.
Try it.
Everyone stop looking at me.
No, that's smiling. No, that's not what you're saying.
I was confused because I thought you guys asked me to smile.
No.
Just one or two.
Pat.
Should we start?
Yeah.
Alright. Do that.
He's already dead.
How much are we putting
Take
in
that like a
approximately?
spoonful.
Like that much? Is that good?
Yeah, probably like a little, like a full spoonful, you know?
Okay.
A peck.
Put a little more.
Okay.
We are so cultured.
Wait a minute.
Wait, like that?
Oh, it's ripping?
We're doing it like that? That's like a wonton.
It ripped anyway.
Oh no.
Mm,
Wrap another one in it.
first try. No.
Take a deep breath, recover. Start another one.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna give a high school?
This is my perfect dumpling. It get loose.
Wait, I'm gonna try doing it like that.
Do we want to do them like triangles?
I think you can do it any way you want.
Well, I think they all need to be like, because they all got cooked.
They will cook evenly. Let me just try this.
Okay.
Dang.
Hey, I need a plate to put them on. And then where's it? I just made a pork one.
I mean,
Cultured?
kind of.
Alright guys, I'm succumbing to peer pressure.
Okay, it's more fun like that. Okay.
You guys are about to see some real technique.
You cannot do it.
Beautiful.
Oh,
I'm gonna pull up
how do I do this?
I'm gonna chop just a few more.
I got the perfect dumpling.
Oh, that's funny. Did you see mine?
Yeah, I did. I did see it actually.
Yours looks
That's
kinda-
why I said that I got the perfect dumpling.
Yours looks kind of.
Kind of what?
I don't want to say ugly.
Wow.
I mean, I don't know.
Tension over there.
I have to remember how I did this because I like that. Yep. Yeah, you just make it. You just do that. Make it sound. Yeah.
Oh, and then just like twist it at the top.
Yeah, this one might be a little bit empty. It's okay. it time to embarrass Benjamin?
Yes.
I have something to say.
Please don't.
Yeah. What are we
Can you
doing?
tell me first? Can you tell me first?
No,
Give me a little warning.
Just say it. Just say it.
Look. Just tell me first. Just tell me first. Just give me a little.
It's a little quirky thing that you do.
Is it my grunt? My noises?
We already covered that.
You did?
Yeah.
Wait, was I not there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you weren't there yesterday. Sorry. I said, hey.
Yeah, you.
What are you
actually
doing?
weren't
I
there.
said, do you have plans tomorrow? And you said, or I said, are you doing? I said, can you hang out tomorrow? And you said,
Wait,
no.
what'd she say again?
Benjamin, what were you saying?
Are we folding them up like that?
You can do whatever.
Okay.
A lot of progress being made on this plate.
Sarah and I got us down.
Anyway, is it time to embarrass Benjamin?
But what were you saying?
I was just saying that he does that thing whenever it'll be quiet. It'll be quiet, kind of.
Were we supposed to put soy?
Did you forget to put the sauce in?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Here we can.
These are just the plain ones.
Yeah, they're plain.
Yeah.
Wait,
just go get the sauce
Yeah,
and then
go
we
get the
can.
sauce.
Well, y'all kind of like.
Anyway, Benjamin does that thing when he's not talking. He'll do. And I didn't tell Benjamin about it for a long time. And then one day I was like, "Hi, you know that thing that Benjamin does?" And we're like, "Yeah." I was like, "It's not just me. Like I noticed it. I didn't know if anyone else knew." And we were friends with him for years.
Yeah.
Years after that, so we were very careful.
Back in the day, lots of great doing it.
You have the assessment results?
Soy sauce right now.
How's it follow?
Good.
Guys.
Alright, I'm gonna chicken.
Your what?
The chicken!
You said, alright, I'm gonna change. Can we like skin that?
They got bone in that?
Skin.
No.
I get scared of them.
They breaking, oh my god.
Can't believe Benjamin doesn't know how to tie a knot.
Okay, I know how to tie a knot, but can you tie a knot with onions tie dyeing?
Yeah, because I know how to tie
We're good. It's not pretty, but it's juicy, and that's what's important.
a knot. Benjamin's just being.
What y'all talking about? I hear my name.
Oh,
It's 32 ounces.
I don't like cold. Sorry.
Can we make Dr. Pepper
We're done.
chicken?
No, we cannot. I'll do 24.
Every time you do that,
It's not
that ice
exact,
cream,
so.
It was like a thing a long time ago.
I remember that. Camera.
We have enough for one more fork.
What is that, Mitchell? What is the black one?
Coke.
Mmm. That's good. You're doing good. No matter what they say. I
What are
believe
they
in you.
saying?
I believe in you. They're not saying anything.
Get all over our hard.
Stop.
Amy, you wanna hop in?
Yeah, I'll hop in. Hold on.
You want me to drop them in?
Let it boil.
No,
Yeah, scoop them in.
my father said you're not supposed to like have it boiling too much because then they'll break. So I think simmering is good. Work. Pretty good.
Dumpling chips.
Dumpling chips. That's right. Dumpling chips. Dumpling chips.
Is it just the soy sauce and no oil?